Hello, in this video, we will learn how to find liked videos, photos, and posts on Facebook. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the Facebook application. Click here. Tap on the settings icon. Scroll down. As you can see here, you will find the option Activity Log. Click on it. Select your activity across Facebook. You will be taken to Comments and Reactions. Here, you will find all your comments and reactions. To delete any comment or reaction, click on the three dots on the side. From here, you can view the post. If you want to delete the reaction directly, click on Delete Reaction. Now, I will watch the post first. Now, click on your reaction to remove it. Finally, support us by liking the video and following us to stay updated with our new videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.